And everyone loves a gift that's unique and personal, but the best gifts are the ones people will actually use. So today we have registered dietitian and lifestyle expert Ashley Hawk to show us how to build some unique gift baskets with items from your local Albertsons, Vons, and Pavillions. What a great idea from your local grocery store. Okay, we've got Ashley here. You have partnered with them. So like I was saying earlier, this is a fantastic idea to go just, down to our grocery store.
Absolutely. Well, that's the thing is we're already going to the grocery store to pick up the different foods we need for meals. So why not be able to pick up something that you can also give? So I have to ask you, Maria, how is your shopping list going? Do you have gifts you need to get?
Yes, I do. So that's why I'm saying this is a great idea. Where do I start?
Exactly. Okay, well, that's the thing is we want to be able to give and receive something we know we're going to use. And I don't know about you, but food is something that I definitely need every day,
100%.
aside from that old scarf that might not get as much action. So here are some fun, different ideas of how you can compile things that are already going to be available at the Albertsons, Vons, and Pavillions and really put them into individualized gift baskets.
Okay.
So starting over here, one of the ideas I love is a great breakfast basket.
Oh.
I'm a coffee drinker myself, so you can see that we've gone ahead and done the peppermint coffee, but they also have a sugar cookie one. This is the Signature Selects. And then we've paired it with a variety of different breakfast baked goods. We've got some of the Overjoyed Angel Food Cake for a special sweet treat, but then one of my things that I'm loving right now are taking the pancake mixes from Signature Selects, and from there you can make it into these pancakes. And then what a cute little craftivity here. You take the pancakes, you make two, take a cookie cutter, and then you can cut out a Christmas shape and kind of put two together so you're almost making like a little pancake sandwich.
I like this, and I like the dollar size too. These are my favorite sizes. But this is a great idea. They have the basket there?
Exactly. You can get everything you're seeing here at the Albertsons, Vons, and Pavilion. So this is your breakfast one. Now let's move over here. If you're going to someone's house, maybe they're entertaining or you want to put together a charcuterie or an appetizer basket. So easy to pick up some of the Lucerne cheese, pair it with some of the O organic crackers, as well as some of the different spreads. Now another easy way to elevate this is you're going to take some of the mozzarella balls and some of the little tomatoes, and you can make these adorable skewers. You can even make them into the shape of a little snowman or something to that nature.
That totally looks like a snowman. That's a great idea.
Exactly, so fun. And then they also have the sparkling drinks that you can pair it with too. So it's really got everything you need to help host a little gathering or a cocktail hour.
Okay, so we got basket 3. Which one's that one?
Okay, yes. Well, so kind of going to the next theme would be more of the sweet treats or maybe even Santa's Village. So over here you can see they have got the gingerbread house kits, and these are the complete kits. So it's got everything you need in these kits to go ahead and make your own gingerbread house or the kind of mini village.
Wow.
My daughter went ahead and did one today that I've got on display over here. She's only 5, so there's definitely room for improvement.
She did a great
fun.
She did a fantastic job with that one.
Exactly. So this is something I know she would love. And then you have to try this, Maria. This is one of these Santa peppermint mixes.
Okay.
So this is kind of my
this.
peppermint Santa
It's like
bark.
a white chocolate, right?
Exactly. The chocolate covered pretzels, so yummy. And this is from the Overjoyed line. So it's really bringing joy to the everyday. That's what the line was created to do. But it's so yummy, simple, and then they've even got the cookie decorating kits. So over here you can just color them in. Such an easy after school activity or something fun. If you're hosting and kids are coming over, pick up one of those so while the adults are enjoying conversation, the kids are able to color on the different cookies.
These are really substantial baskets. I really like it.
Yeah, so there's a couple other smaller ones too. Over here I've got one that's more for the baking lover. We've got the Overjoyed sprinkles and the cupcake liners with some marshmallows and a cookie mix. That's a really simple one that you can put together with just a few ingredients. Over here we've got more of a holiday shop, so we've got the shortbread cookies. This one is really yummy. You have to give it a try. This is the orange and cranberry shortbread.
I'm having all my desserts right now.
They are all so gourmet. So that's a really simple one. But then the two that I'm also loving are back on this side. This is the movie night. So this is really fun.
I love this theme.
Exactly, really simple, but you could also include, a $5 gift card or something to rent something if they want to watch it at home. Or we've got the Adventurers basket down there, which is more trail mixes and kind of different things if you're out on the go or making some of your own snacks. The last thing I really have to encourage you to sample is this Open Nature granola. I am not a granola person, but I love this granola. It is just so fresh, so simple. This is the strawberry one. But it's, again, one of those things that maybe you wouldn't pick it up on your own, but you know someone that would really want to try something new.
This I'm serious. This is a fantastic idea, and it's right around the corner from your home. And hey, check off the list.
Exactly. And here's my last little tip: is to make it even easier on yourself. Download the Albertsons, Vons, and Pavillions app because that is going to save you time and money. Something we can all use more of during this season.
Ashley, thank you so much. You have just saved us, actually, because it's only a few days away. I mean, Hanukkah's in 4 days.
Yeah.
Christmas in what, 15, 14 days. So thank you so much.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Well, thank you for having me.
All right, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. I'm gonna eat these snacks and yeah, get some more ideas from Ashley.